Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program must accept two strings S1 and S2, both of equal length. Then the program must interchange the vowels in the strings in their order of occurrence. Finally, it must print S1 and S2. Now let us consider our test case. Here S1 is equal to apple and S2 is equal to rain. Now let us copy this and S2. Now in S1, the vowels are A and E. In S2 the vowels are A and I. We have to interchange the vowels and print the string as our output. Now A and A, after interchanging also they will be at same position because it is same vowel. So you have to go to the next vowel in the string. So after changing also it remains the same. Now next vowel E and here I, you have to interchange this both. This becomes I and this becomes E. Now this should be printed as our output. S1 is APPLI and S2 is RAEN. This should be printed as our output. Now let us implement our logic using Python 3. We have to accept an input from the user S1 as list of input, that is a string, and another string called S2, which is also a list of input. The list is not needed, sorry. And let us initialize a variable called curval to 0 and bubbles to A, E, I, O, U. Now let us run a for loop for CTR in range. This CTR ranges from 0 to CTR of len of S1. Now we have to use a if condition for checking whether it is in bubble or not. If S1 of CTR dot lower in bubbles, it is checking whether the character is present in bubble or not. So vowels A, E, I, O, U. In bubbles. Now when this condition is true, we have to write another condition. So we are using while true. We have to use a while loop. When this condition is true, Then you have to pass our another condition, that is the same condition, the character in the string 2 is present in vowel or not. For S2 we are using curval here, and if it is present, then we have to swap the two characters. So swap S1 of CTR, comma S2 of curval. You have to swap S1 of CTR to S2 of curval. That is S2 of curval, comma S1 of CTR. We are just swapping here. And after swapping, you have to increment the curval by 1. Increment curval by 1. Increment curval by 1. Now we are using a break statement here, which comes out of the while loop. After incrementing, you have to also increment here curval by 1. If it is not present means, at last we have to print the S1, string 1 and string 2 with an separator equal to bar n, which prints in the next line. Or we can use print S1, print S2. Hence the input is a list. You have to use join function here. So space dot join S1 and the same for S2. Dot join of S2. This will print the S1 and S2.